we are in a sweet spot today in the Indian economy, and a little push to get the demand going is going to make a big difference. We're already seeing demand on the truck side increasing. I think the truck production has increased almost 20-25% in this year compared to last year, and I think that momentum is what we see going forward. And I think the budget is going to help make this happen.
But what is more important is what does the budget do to fix the rural economy? To me, right now, that is the biggest worry. And if the rural economy is fixed, then everything else will fall in place. And the second one is infrastructure. The thrust on infrastructure. The general feeling is that while a lot of projects have been signed, but actual work has not gone on at the level that one would expect. So these two are the big pulls, the infrastructure and rural economy.
Budget, I think that one hopes for a lower corporate tax rate. One hopes for some simplification on the taxation front. And importantly, a large spend on infrastructure that can actually help grow demand in several other sectors.
But I always ask for one thing: cut taxes, reduce the interest rate, and reduce the obstacles of doing business.
Well, my expectation is that it's the most difficult thing for the Prime Minister and the Finance Minister to really balance out the multiple needs of our society. So we are waiting for them because they are much closer. I'm sure what they will do will be the best for our economy.
Well, I think this budget is going to be a very progressive budget, very growth-oriented budget, because government has a lot of advantages with oil prices very, very low and the commodity prices at a very low levels. This is a great time to build India, to really invest money in building our country. So I think this budget is going to give a lot of impetus towards that.
From the banking sector, a lot of suggestions have been put forth. Some of them that I can just remember offhand, of course, is certain amendments in the SARFAESI Act so as to make it easier and quicker to resolve loans. Secondly, obviously, everybody is expecting some numbers towards capitalization. Thirdly, I think even last year we had said that whether we could incentivize use of plastic. So that's another area probably that we are looking at doing things. But frankly, there were very many other things that the banking sector has been looking for, including raising the exemption towards interest, tax deducted at source interest, especially for the senior citizens.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.